Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll see how to install Firefox in Ubuntu. Just to confirm whether Firefox is not installed, we need to give Firefox command and it will show that Firefox is not installed and use this command to install it. To install it, copy this command and put into the terminal. This command also requires some password. Please enter the password. And after giving the password, this will start downloading the Firefox package from the snap. This can take some time depending upon your network speed. Now download of Firefox package is done and installation is now starting. It can take some time, and after this is done, we can clear the terminal and we can run the Firefox command in order to confirm the Firefox installation. After some time, GUI for Firefox will open and we can go to the help about Firefox, and then we can check the version of Firefox. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.